Hello students, welcome to PVK chemistry classes. In this video, we are going to discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes and alkenes. First of all, alkanes. The general molecular formula for alkanes are Cn H2n plus 2. Cn H2n plus 2. The n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. The first member is CH4, methane. CH4, methane. Second member is C2H6, it is ethane. How to write the structure for this compound? It consists of 2 carbon atoms, therefore it is written like this: carbon, single bond, carbon, because alkanes are saturated organic compounds. Saturated organic compounds. Saturated means the compounds consist of only carbon, carbon, single bond. You must know this bond carries 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are mutually shared by these 2 carbon atoms. These 2 electrons are mutually shared by these 2 carbon atoms. That means this carbon having 1 electron, or this carbon carries another 1 electron. We simply know 1 electron equal to 1 electron, which is equivalent to 1 proton, because 1 proton, that is hydrogen, consists of only 1 electron. So the valency of carbon is 4. Therefore the remaining, the valency of carbon 4 is satisfied by one electron, and remaining is satisfied by 3 hydrogen. Here also 1 valency of carbon is satisfied by this electron, remaining 3 valencies are satisfied by hydrogen. This is ethane. C3H8, that is called propane. C3H8, propane. So it consists of 3 carbon atoms. So first you look at the first carbon. The shared with only 1 electron of this single covalent bond. But the second carbon is shared with, or it receives 2 electrons from the neighboring bonds. So the first carbon, the valency of carbon, the remaining valency is satisfied by 3 hydrogen atom. Here also it is satisfied by 2 electron, the remaining 2 is satisfied by hydrogen, and finally it is CH3. CH2, CH3. C4H10. This compound is called butane. Butane is carrying 4 carbon atom. It is written like this: 4 carbon atoms. 4 carbon atom is written like this. So now you know this carbon surround only 1 bond, therefore 1 electron, remaining 3 hydrogen. This bond surround by 2, this carbon surround by 2 bonds, therefore the remaining valency is satisfied by 2 hydrogen, and this also 2 hydrogen. Finally it is 3. This is normal butane, the normal butane. For up to these compounds, the common name as well as IUPAC names are same. IUPAC name, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is a organization in 1993 provides certain rules and regulations to write the IUPAC name of organic and inorganic compounds. So as per the IUPAC, the name of the compound is methane. This is ethane, propane. Here normal propane. Here N represent normal. There is no branches. No branches. Therefore, the common name of the compound is normal butane. But the IUPAC name of the compound is simply butane. And this compound is having one isomer, that is, it is written like this, C, C, C. So look at this, first 3 hydrogen atoms. Here the second carbon is surrounded by 1, 2, 3 bonds. Therefore, remaining valency is satisfied, but necessary for hydrogen is only 1. Here CH3, here CH3. Therefore, for writing the IUPAC name, predict the long chain. Long root is a one rule to find write the IUPAC name of organic compound. Predict the long chain. This is the long chain. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3. In the second carbon, this group is called methyl. Methyl group is present. Therefore, 2 methyl. 2 methyl. And straight chain consists of 3 carbon atoms. The parent hydrocarbon of carbon number 3 is propane. The name of the compound is 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. And in the modern terminology, you must know the bond line representation of these compounds. Simply we are written in the carbon backbone, and also you must know the bond line representation. The bond line representation of propane, bond line representation of butane, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. The bond line representation of 2-methyl propane, bond line representation of 2-methyl propane. C5H12. This is C5H12, simply say pentane. Pentane. Carbon number 5 is called pentane. Pentane. So, 5 carbon atoms. It is written like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Normal pentane. The IUPAC name of the compound is pentane. Bond line representation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 carbon atoms. Pentane. Some other isomers are possible in the case of this pentane. Isomers possible in the case of pentane. This is written like this: C, 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 here on C, C. Totally 5 carbon atoms. Therefore, CH3, CH, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This compound, the common name of the compound is called isopentane. Isopentane. Why it is called as isopentane? This is primary carbon, this is secondary carbon. In secondary carbon, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced and we substitute alkyl group as the substituent. Alkyl group as the substituent. Therefore, it is called isopentane. What is IUPAC name of the compound? Here also numbering the carbon. One, predict the straight chain, long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 4. In the second carbon atom, methyl group is present. Methyl group is present. Therefore, IUPAC name of the compound is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane is the IUPAC name of the compound. Common name isopentane. IUPAC name 2-methyl butane. And the next member, another one isomer is also possible for this compound. This compound is written like this: CH3, 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 CH3. Neopentane. neopentane. The common name of this compound is neopentane. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Here is the way, this way or this way. You can choose any one of this way. In any way, we have only 3 carbon atoms in a straight chain. Therefore, numbering 1, 2, 3. 2 methyl, 2 methyl. Therefore, in second carbon, 2 methyl group are as the substituents. 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. Straight chain containing only 3 carbon atom. What is the parent hydrocarbon? That is propane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane is the IUPAC name of the compound. So, the first member methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. We concentrate up to the carbon number 10. Carbon number 6 is called hexane. Carbon number 7, the parent hydrocarbon is heptane. Carbon number 8, the parent hydrocarbon is octane. Carbon number 9, the parent hydrocarbon is nonane. Carbon number 10, the parent hydrocarbon is decane. So, up to carbon number 10 you must know and write the various structures of this compound also. Suppose you are trying with the carbon number 6 means carbon number 6. First you draw the, first you find out the molecular formula. C6 H 2 into 6 12 plus 2 H 14 6 carbon atoms. The parent hydrocarbon is hexane. First you mind it, the parent hydrocarbon hexane. Parent hydrocarbon hexane. First you draw the carbon backbones of possible structures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a one compound. So, isomeric compound. So, 5 carbon atom, 1 substituent and 4 carbon atoms, 2 substituent. This is one of the another compound and four carbon atoms, 2 substituents. 4 carbon atoms, 2 substituents. So, these are the some possible isomeric compounds under this hexane. So, this is normal hexane. Normal hexane, there will be no branches. In this compound, carbon number 2 methyl group is present. Therefore, 2 methyl pentane. 2 methyl pentane. In this compound, second carbon 2 substituents are present. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. Numbering this compound 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon one methyl group is substituent and the third carbon another one methyl group is substituent. Therefore, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. What is the carbon chain or the bond line representation of these compounds? Bond line representation. How to draw the bond line representation? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second carbon one methyl group is present. Here straight chain only 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon and 2 substituents. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon one substituent, third carbon one substituent. So, these are the simplest way to writing the common name and IUPAC name of alkanes. You may practice carbon number 7, 8, 9 etc. So, these are the nomenclature, IUPAC system of nomenclature of alkanes. From alkanes, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced. We get the group called alkyl group. This is the important and fundamental aspects of many organic compounds. You must know what is alkyl groups. What is alkyl groups? From alkanes, one hydrogen atom is replaced. From alkane, one hydrogen atom is replaced, we get the group called alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. So, from methane, formula for methane CH4, one of the hydrogen is replaced, you get methyl, it's a methyl, alkyl group, methyl. C2H6, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced, C2H5 is a ethyl, ethyl group. Ethyl group is also written like this, CH3, CH2. Simplest form C2H5, expanded form CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, methyl, ethyl. CH3 or C3H8, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced, we get CH3, CH2, CH2. This is N-propyl, this compound is N-propyl, and CH3, CH3. This is isopropyl, N-propyl, this compound is isopropyl. For carbon number 3, iso and secondary are same. Iso and secondary groups are same. So, methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl. Carbon number 4. Carbon number 4, C4H10 minus H, C4H9, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. So, 4 carbon atoms. From butane, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced, we get the group called N-butyl. This is N-butyl. From the secondary carbon, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced. We substitute any one of the functional group. This compound is called secondary butyl. This is N-butyl, this compound is secondary butyl. From the secondary carbon, we substitute one of the alkyl group. This is called isobutyl, 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 and CH3, CH3. This compound is called tertiary butyl, tertiary butyl. So, carbon number 4, 4 alkyl groups are possible, N-butyl, secondary butyl, isobutyl and tertiary butyl. Similarly, you can practice the carbon number 5. Carbon number 5, the parent hydrocarbon is pentane. First alkyl group is pentyl, then isopentyl, secondary pentyl and tertiary pentyl. The last one is neopentyl. So, totally 5 alkyl groups are possible, N-pentyl, secondary pentyl, isopentyl and tertiary pentyl and neopentyl. Neopentyl. So, 5 Alkyl groups are possible in the case of carbon number 5. Carbon number 5. So, the alkyl groups are very much important for studying other organic compounds. And alkenes, the second category is alkenes. Alkenes. General molecular formula CnH2n. CnH2n, n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. n is equal to 2, 3, 4, etc. The first member is, so alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Here alkenes, aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons. The symbol representation is carbon-carbon double bonds. Compounds containing carbon-carbon double bonds. Single double bonds are called alkenes. Suppose two double bonds are present in the same compound is called alkadienes. Alkadienes. Three carbon double bonds are present in the organic compound means trienes. Alkatrienes. In this session we are going to prepare or write the simplest compounds, simplest simple or single double bonds present in the organic compound, that is alkenes. The first member is C2H4. Two carbon atoms, in between the two carbon atoms double bond, C double bond C. We know here two bonds are present, that is single double bond is present. Therefore, this carries 4 electrons. 2 electrons are shared by first carbon atoms and 2 electrons are shared by the second carbon atom. The remaining valency of first carbon is satisfied by 2 electron hydrogen, and remaining it is satisfied by 2 hydrogen. So, tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. This compound is called ethylene. Common name of this compound is called ethylene. The IUPAC name of the compound is called ethene. E-N-E. Alkene end with E-N-E. Here also 2 carbon atoms, therefore ethane N is replaced by E-N-E. Ethene. C3H6. So, 3 carbon atoms. Any one of the place you can put the double bond, either this part or this part. Any one of the place you can put the double bond. So, here 2 bonds, this carbon attaining 2 electrons from these 2 bonds, therefore remaining valency of carbon 4 is satisfied by 2 hydrogen. Here this carbon surrounded by 3 bonds, the remaining valence is satisfied by only 1 hydrogen. Here CH3. Propylene. Propylene. The IUPAC name of the compound is propene. Propene. C4H8. C4H8. Totally 4 carbon atoms. Totally 4 carbon atoms. Any one of the place, first you put the double bond. So, CH2, CH. Why we are putting hydrogen, only single hydrogen? Because this carbon is surrounded by 3 bonds. So, CH2, CH2. This, the common name of the compound, first carbon is alpha, second carbon is beta. Therefore, alpha butylene. Alpha butylene. Numbering the carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. In between carbon number 1 and 2, double bond is present. Therefore, we are taking the lowest number 1 butene. 1 butene. 1 butene. And another isomer of this compound. You put in between carbon number 2 and 3 double bond. First carbon is alpha, second carbon is beta. CH3, CH, CH, CH3. So, beta butylene, beta butylene. In between carbon number 2 and 3, double bond is present. Therefore, it is called 2-butene, 2-butene. And another one isomer for this compound. 1, 2, 3, another one substituent. You put double bond, either this position or this position. Any one of the place you can put the double bond. Therefore, CH. Here this carbon is surrounded by 2 plus 1 plus 1. Totally 4 bonds. Therefore, no necessary for hydrogen for satisfying the tetravalency. Therefore, here CH3, here CH3. The common name of the compound is isobutylene. Isobutylene. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon methyl group is a substituent. Therefore, 2-methyl. 2-methyl. In between carbon number 1 and 2 double bond is there. Therefore, 1. 2-methyl 1. Straight chain consists of 3 carbon atom. Therefore, the IUPAC name of the compound is propene, 2-methyl propene. So, these are some simple alkenes. From alkene, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced. We get alkenyl group, CH2 double bond CH. This compound is, or this group is called vinyl group, CH2 double bond CH. CH2 double bond CH, CH2. This is allyl group, vinyl group and allyl group. So, you can practice the other hydrocarbons, especially C5H10, C5H10. How to find out the various compounds of C5H10. First, draw the carbon backbone, put double bond here. It's the first compound. Second compound, and draw the substituents. Here double bond. It's the third compound. Fourth compound. Here on double bond. Fifth compound. So, this compound is not possible because look at this carbon, it is surrounded by 5 electrons or 5 bonds. This compound is not possible. So, these are the 4 possible organic compounds under this category of C5H10, and then you substitute the hydrogen and get the UPAC name of these compounds. So, this is carbon number 5, C5 and H10, C5H10. So, this in this video we can discuss the common and IUPAC name of alkanes and alkenes, For writing the common name and or deriving the general molecular formula, first you know the general formula. For alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, and all the compounds must be carbon compounds must be satisfy the valency 4. How to satisfy the valency 4, you know, and if the double bond is present, the double bond is present in between the 2 carbon atom, that is the alkenes, simple alkenes or mixed alkenes. I hope all this concept are very clearly understood each and everyone. Thank you for watching. Share your friends. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.